What's up, y'all? So I got up this morning, right? And just to be nosy, I look at the charts to see if it was gonna be a green day. I had a feeling that it wasn't gonna be. And I was just like,
Shit. Got your ass.
the moral of the story is you gotta go to work. Take your ass to work. Stocks cost money. Buy the S&P. And that's it. It's really that simple. But anyway, I just wanted to tap in with y'all real quick. Make sure y'all hit the like button if you're not subscribed to my channel. Subscribe. Thank y'all for rocking out with me. And leave me a comment. Let me know how you navigating this wild bear market ride. Until next time, you already know what I'm about to say. Oh yeah, before I go, it's been 6 months, y'all. It's been 6 months from zero to hero. The journey continues. I will be doing an update really soon. So be sure to tap that bell so that you can be notified anytime that I upload content. And now I'm gone for real, y'all.
Hurry up and buy.
If you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work until you die.